In a pull system, you're absolutely reliant on the information that loops back to you. Without a proper feedback system, no pull system can be successful. So, how does this Kanban system achieve this? The Japanese word Kanban, loosely translated, means card, billboard, or sign, but oftentimes other sensory notifications such as empty spaces, cones, or lights are used to notify a supplier of a customer need. Today, the Kanban system has become one of the most common systems used to keep the flow of materials and information moving. It is also used in many companies for tracking information and materials. As you can see in this very basic example, information and materials are connected using the Kanban system. This allows for an effective feedback loop to occur so that everyone is informed and the process is effectively managed. As you can see, a customer makes a request, the product is pulled or produced, and the appropriate requests continue to travel upstream so that everything is replenished. And that's how the feedback loop works in a Kanban system. Pretty simple, right? We'll see you in the next module.